Hi and hello there, welcome to my channel Learn with Albert Pinto. Well, here is my question. I paid YouTube monthly membership twice. How to contact YouTube? Now, the first method to get YouTube support is go to your YouTube channel icon and go down to second last menu called Help. So let's click on that, and here you have many options to select as per your query. Let's click on the first one, Contact the YouTube Creator Support Team. Click on Ask the Help Community. Here give the title, the subject of your question. Next, write the content, and here you can also add image and your channel link. Now, here select your issue, category, what is it is related to. Next, if you wish you can add more details, then confirm the post. Now, if we click the second option, it is also almost the same, so choose what is best suited for you. Now I will take you to YouTube Studio. And here in the channel dashboard, you can also contact YouTube. You have help and chat with YouTube support team. Let's click on chat. And here this option opens. Now, an important point to remember. Before, this option to chat directly was given only to monetized channels, but now it is given to all channel creators. I will show you how it works. Well, let me say something to get the conversation going. So, this is something nice that YouTube has done by giving this chat option to all the YouTube creators. Remember, YouTube keeps on finding more and better options to make the creators happy. Now, in case you need more details as how to contact YouTube, then here are the details. So with this, I'm going to end my video. Please do like and subscribe to my new channel. Brothers and sisters, please do help me to grow this channel so that I get motivated to create more valuable topics. Bye bye and take care.